Hi luminaries, in this video I'm going to show you how to just wind yarn onto your loom bobbin. So the bobbin is great because it actually keeps your last bit of yarn from getting all tangled up. We know how stressful it is to untangle your yarn, or just to start a ball of yarn. So you can see here I'm going to actually wind the rest, but it's a great way to start a ball of yarn. In this case, tiny bits left. I just used 2 colors. It's really nice. So let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna use this tiny bit of yarn left. So as you can see, it's in a classic spun ball. You could actually insert this like this, or you could just hold this as you wind. So what I like to do is I like to start on one of the arms, and then naturally you're gonna just go across. So you're basically making an X, okay, like so. And then you're gonna go like this, or you could do it whatever way you want. It's really nice because I know that this yarn is really kind of sticky and it gets tangled really easily. So it's nice to be able to have something to separate it. It always stresses me out to actually untangle yarn. I don't know why. Because I guess you really want it to happen quickly, and then it doesn't. And then you have to actually work really, really gently in order to untangle it. Okay, so see how I just keep building up my bobbin? Okay, so I'm almost done, and when you're done, you just secure it and put it in your yarn basket. That's it. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy.